We are in Main Station Apartments. Look at that old system sensor alarm. Anyway, got some old Westinghouse elevators here. I got a slight Dewhurst knot. Look, you can see where the old call station was. Oh wow, this is creepy. Jesus. What the heck? There's either a flat spot on one of the rollers or on a sheave. I can feel it. Jesus. Creepy as hell. Look at the old ass fan up in that. Great. Oh my god. The fucking smoke detector in the hoistway has a low battery. 7. Can we perhaps peel this a little and see? No, we can't see. Is the old PI behind there? No, it's literally just a hole where the old PI was. I can feel it. Look at this, it's literally just a loose bulb hanging by the wire, and that's the cab light. What the hell? The bulb is swaying as the car moves. This whole building is really creepy. Let's just get a shot of that cab once more. Oh, it gives us this one. Does this one also have the creepy light bulb? No, this has a little more of a proper light fixture. Still just hanging there though.